Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about the FOSSEE Summer Fellowship 2025, from what it is and the fellowship mode, duration of the fellowship, eligibility criteria, list of available projects, application process, important dates, selection criteria, perks and benefits, tips to get selected, and other final motivation and why you should apply for this. Everything I'll be discussing in this video. But before getting into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our channel. And also join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for more interesting and regular updates on internships and job opportunities for all the batches. Let's get into the video. So this FOSSEE Summer Fellowship is initiated by the IIT Bombay, and if you want to work on the real world open source projects and to get mentored from the experts, then this summer fellowship is for you. So this summer internship program by IIT Bombay's FOSSEE team, and it is open to the students who are passionate about open source contributions, and it offers an hands-on experience with the ongoing FOSSEE projects. So coming to the mode of this fellowship, it is hybrid mode. You can work remotely from your home or you can choose to work physically at IIT Bombay depending on the hostel availability. And coming to the duration of this fellowship is 1.5 to 2, 1.5 month to 2 months, and during the summer break. So coming to the eligibility, so it is open to all the college students in any of the field like engineering, science and other. You can be from any category, you can be from any field, then you are eligible for this fellowship. And you must have complete screening tasks related to the FOSSEE project. So you have to complete a task in order to eligible for this internship. So I will give a brief discussion about it. So coming to the project areas, so in the project areas they given of different with the project name and also brief description of the project. So in this project name we are having the four tasks, like five tasks we are having, naming tasks A, B, C, D and E. So in any of these tasks you have to choose any one. So the details are also given here. Just open this link. So in this you are having the five tasks. From these five tasks you have to complete any one of them. So the details are also given for each and every project, like if you are having interest in the civil engineering module development, then you can choose this. So based on your interest you have to choose any one task, and the qualifications or the skills are also provided here, and the detailed task about this detailed description of this task is also provided. Just open and download this file. So everything in detail they given about each and every task. So just go, and resources also they provided, and then submission requirements are also given here. Everything in detail they provided. So you have to complete it or any one of the task. So if we go with another task like focal, in these two tasks are there. So in these two tasks you have to complete any one of the task. So in this again they provided, like in the task one of graphics design screening task, they given it as complete any four. So from the given of these six like projects you have to complete any of the four. And for the task to any animation creation screening task, from given the given four, and from these four you have to complete any one. So you have to choose any one of the task from these two tasks. And if you see the details of this, so the given important notes and the task 1, task 2, everything they given, submission requirements for the animation task, and then technical requirements and other resources or the references you can use here. They even provided the links, you can go with that, and some other softwares if you want to download you can just go with these links, and other for learning software you can go with this link. And evaluation criteria, so it's just see all these evaluation criteria carefully. There should be technical proficiency and the creativity and plagiarism. So submissions must be of 100% original. Plagiarism will result in the disqualification. So they will review all the tasks, all of your work very clearly. So do it on your own. Use the creativity and everything detailedly they provided here. Just go with it. And in the field of creation of the spoken tutorials on open source software, they given level 1 and level 2. And next in the web development also they given task 1 created Drupal 10 theme from scratch, and the next task 2. So from the two tasks you have to complete any of the one. So if you have any doubts you can also contact this email provided. And next, coming to the application process. So first visit this link. I'll provide this link in the description, and you have to select the project from the given list, and you have to read the problem statement or the task which is given under the project. So this task you have to read it and perfectly, and you have to complete this task and submit it on before the deadline. So coming to the important dates, the task to be submitted before 7th of April. Registrations has been already started, and the results will be declared on the 15th of April. And whoever are selected for the internships, they will contact you via mail on the 15th May. And the internship duration will be from the 15th May to 15th July. Next, coming to the selection criteria, so totally it will be depending on your submitted task, the quality of it, and the level of your creativity. So it will be depending on your quality and then creativity and the relevance of your work and the prior contributions if you have done any, and the communication skills in the interviews if they conducted. So everything they will be considering, and you will be selected for the internship. So it is a very good opportunity. So when you see the perks and benefits of this summer fellowship, you will also get a certification from the IIT Bombay and FOSSEE, and also the recognition on the official FOSSEE website, and the real world open source contribution experience and opportunity to work under IIT Bombay mentors, and then valuable experience for your resume. Next, some of the tips to get selected for this internship. So start early and just choose the project that interests you, and also follow the all instructions carefully, and submit a well documented and clean solution. And if you have any doubts you can also contact the mentors. So this is a very good opportunity, everyone has to apply. And the eligibility is everyone can apply, you can be of any field from any department, you can apply for this. So after doing the project just click on the link here and fill out this Google form. So give the mail, first name, last name, and then contact number, and then next you can select, you can be of student, faculty, or the professional, anyone can just apply for this summer fellowship. And the college name or the organization, and the next university name. So if you are enrolled from the PhD, masters and bachelor's diploma, or in any other field, you can apply for this. And you can be of any stream, mention it here. And you can be of first, second year, third year, fourth year, graduated, junior college, or the school student, just mention. And then mail ID of your faculty or the HOD, and the country name, next city, district, state, pin code, and the project you are interested in. So in what project you are interested, so you just have to keep here. So if you have done any task from the web development, just keep the web development. And the next, how you know about this fellowship, just keep it. And why do you want to participate in this fellowship? So keep a strong proposal here and just submit it here. So do this, it is a very good opportunity. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, or directly you can DM me on Insta. And also don't forget this with your friends, and also join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for more interesting updates. Thank you.